In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a full C drive in Windows 11. If you've noticed that your main system drive is running out of space, this video is for you. Let's walk through a few straightforward steps that can help you reclaim that precious storage and get your computer back to running smoothly. The first step is to identify what's using up all the space. You'll want to start by opening the Settings menu. You can do this quickly by pressing Windows and the I key together. From the Settings menu, navigate to System, and then click on Storage. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown of what categories are consuming the most space on your drive. Categories like apps, temporary files, documents, pictures, and others are usually the main culprits. Take a close look at these categories to understand where the bulk of your storage is going. By identifying these larger space consumers, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about what needs to be cleaned up. Once you have a good understanding of where your space is going, it's time to delete temporary files. Again, in your storage settings, you'll see an option for temporary files. Click on it, and you'll find a list of items that Windows recognizes as safe to remove. This may include download cache, system-created temporary files, and more. Select the items you want to get rid of, and then click on Remove Files. This action will often free up several gigabytes of space, giving you a noticeable difference in storage availability. Now, let's move on to running disk cleanup, which is a more thorough method to clear out unnecessary files. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the R key together to bring up the Run dialog box. In that box, type clean mgr and press Enter. A small window will open, and you should select Drive C from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, click on Clean Up System Files. Here you'll see a list of checkboxes. Make sure to select items such as temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, delivery optimization files, recycle bin, and thumbnails. These are typically safe to delete and can free up a significant amount of space on your drive. After selecting these options, click OK, and then confirm that you want to delete these files. And there you have it. By performing these 3 simple steps, you should see a significant improvement in your available storage on the C drive. Regularly performing these tasks can help ensure that your Windows 11 system stays efficient and has plenty of room to accommodate your files and applications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you to maintain a clean and efficient computer system.